Hi, I'm Guido. I'm making bread out of sourdough, and it's a very traditional recipe, this one here. I've been teaching English-speaking people Italian cuisine for many years here in Italy, in this location, just north of Rome, in the beautiful countryside. I'm very excited that we're going to be working together, bringing traditional Italian recipes into your family home. I made sure the videos are step by step and very easy to follow. I've selected recipes that will be easy to replicate. There are traditional Italian, and most of them from my family. I'm also working in a home kitchen, as you can see. So you're going to be able to replicate those recipes in your home kitchen with no fancy equipment whatsoever. We know that not everyone is able to come to Italy, so we want to bring a slice of Italy to you.